What's up everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorials. Today we're going to be drawing Hendrickson Grey. Ash Grey or Grey Ash, it's like his demon sort of form of Sir Hendrickson from 7 Deadly Sins. So I'm on a landscape orientation page, use a pencil and use your pause button if I go too fast, right? So, center point of my page is about here. I'd say that's where his nose is going to be. We'll just come up over to the right hand side a little bit and we're going to start with the eyes. So 7 Deadly Sin eyes, diagonal first, and then we bring it across for the top eyelid, down for the back, and then bring it over across to there. So kind of box like sort of eyes, and then his iris just inside there. And he's got kind of long, sort of skinny kind of demon eyes. So it's not like a round pupil, it's just a line. Then the eye over here, they're closer together than eye distance, right? So it's like half an eye will fit in between his eyes, okay? This is 7 Deadly Sins, the character's eyes are bigger than standard. So then we go across, like so. And then we bring it back down and across again, like so. So real box-like sort of eyes. And then his iris, like so. And his pupil, long sort of demon-like eye again. So. Right, so he's got eyelid lines. So we go up, down that way, up, down that way. And then eyebrows, so yeah, so like here, like so at first, and then we bring it across, pretty flat, and then down the back. It's kind of pointy back here, and then it gets thicker as we go down to there. And then we can do pretty much the same thing on the other side. Diagonal line, bring it back, and down, and then back up into here. Like so. So for his nose, we just go straight down here on the left hand side of the eyes, and then we've got like a line underneath that for his nostril there, and nostril on that side, and maybe like a line just coming across for the tip of his nose. Maybe you could like thicken up his eyelids a little bit. Not much though. So then his mouth. So downturned, kind of serious, blank expression, bottom lip, just there. Then around his eyes, there's some details. There's like lines underneath his eyes here, on the edge, just there. And then his chin. So we can't really see his chin, but he's got like a beard, right? So you just do like zigzag lines coming down like so. And then it goes down long. Like this. You can check proportions now. Eyes to nose is about the same as nose to chin. So eye to nose, about the same as nose to, like just where his chin, just here, just the top of his beard sort of area, because his beard goes longer. And then nose to bottom lip is about the same as bottom lip to like where his chin would be, approximately. So once you get that jaw up the side of his face, like so. And then we change direction. And this actually goes up and around a good bit. Like so. And then his ears coming out from here, just in line sort of with his bottom eyelid. Like so. And easiest way for bones and ligaments is just a letter J. That's the easy way. If you want to make it harder on yourself, you just add more detail. Like that. And then his other ear. Like so, and letter J again, but you can do more if you feel inclined. So, right, so let's see. So Hendrickson has devil horns, right? So they kind of bump across his face here, one there, and one here, like that. And then he's got like hairline fringe just here. Like so. And then down from this, there's these cracks coming down his face, right? So. So they don't have to be exactly like mine, you know, you could do it your own way. You don't have to copy my lines exactly. In fact, in all the pictures I've seen of them, it changes. The animators do it different each time they draw them as well. So it's not consistent through the anime, so you don't really need to worry if yours aren't exactly like mine, you know. Do your own style. You can do more cracks, less cracks. Loads of crack. I'm Irish, so crack in Ireland it means fun. Like, it's spelled C-R-A-I-C. The crack was mighty. That's what we say. The crack was mighty, lads. So, loads of crack. Anyway, side note. Anyway, his horns grow up his head. We got like a bit of hair sticking onto them, actually, just there. There, and then they go up like all the way to the top of my page, like to a pointy part, like up here. The other one maybe bring it up to this high. So you could go as tall as you want. Like they're pretty big, but I can just fit in up to there. So then we bump it up and around, and then his hair, the side of his head comes down here. Same on this side, pretty much. Right, and then so you basically gotta like, so add these like black spaces on the horns. So you can like sketch up a line, right? But then we'll have to erase loads, so I won't do that. We'll wing it. We'll just bump it, right? Bumping every now and then. Right, and each of these bumps is a white part. So, right, kind of like real bumpy, right? So. Right, so then in here, right, we've got like all these segments. So, right, they go out. right into each area. So the in here is like dark grey or something. All the way up. All the way up his head, basically. And then down the other side. Like that. And yeah, back into here. Same on the other side, right? So these segments are black, and then we'll just go. Then we just go, boys. So it's like a weird carrot or something. Yeah. Hendrickson's head is a weird carrot. I said it, I went there. And put another one here. Okay, so then just some more hair spikes in between. Like so. Like that. Right, so then his neck, big muscly neck. Crazy muscly neck, right out from his jaw, nearly touching his ears. And then neck muscle line, like so. Trapezius, that side, trapezius, that side. Okay, collarbones, right? So collarbones, that's a neck muscle. So collarbone goes out towards the trapezius. Right, that way, and then other collarbone should go same direction. So your collarbone goes from your clavicle out to your AC joint. So it's like this bump that's on your shoulder. You can feel it. It's like a bone, a ball right in your shoulder joint. So that like bumps up here. Right, and then bumps up here. Like just another bump. Don't have to be the same on both sides or anything. That is your AC joint. Well, it's Hendrickson's AC joint, but so shoulder out and down from there, and like tricep kind of sticks out maybe a little bit, just there, and then shoulder, tricep, like so. So anatomy wise, so it's always different. Like Dragon Ball anatomy style is different to Seven Deadly Sin anatomy style. So we'll go, so shoulder here. So his shoulder kind of comes over his chest muscle. It's not always the case, but it's just the way Hendrickson's built. And then his chest muscle just here. Like that, and like a line up the middle. And then the other chest muscle, like so. And like maybe another muscle line there, something here. So shoulder muscle there. Bicep should come down there somewhere. And like there, I would say. And then maybe like some ab sort of lines or something there. And then another shoulder muscle line like so. And then he has like cracks coming up his shoulder and his body. So like just, well, they look like cracks. I'm not sure if they are cracks. More crack. And then that comes up this way, comes up that way, there, 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 there. So that, and oh yeah, wings. Kind of important, I guess. So coming out from his trapezius here, big wing, out and down, like so. And then on the inside, segment here, another curve line that way, curve line that way, and then the inside part comes down his body there. And then these are like feathers or something on the inside. Just these sort of bumps. Like so, and the wing on the other side. So you want about the same height. Like it doesn't have to be exactly the same. Wings move. That. And then the inner portion comes out from his AC joint. Bring it up that way. Curve line. Comes down and down. And then more lines. And that way. There, and there, there. These are like supposed to be feathers, but they're just like curved lines. They're not like done in any great detail. I think that's everything. How to draw Hendrickson Grey from 7 Deadly Sins. Hope it was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.